Apple still to the downside. NVIDIA, a big, nasty pullback. Faked a lot of people out. There we go. About to go green. $20 on SPY. There it is. I'm back to green on that trade. Here it comes. Now remember, I'm going to take 19 off. So I'm going to shed half. Take it now. I have 15 left. I'm going to start taking 5 at a time. Looking good. I'm going to take 5 when we get a little bit closer down here. Oh, I'm going to take 5 off. I still have 10. That pops. I'll take some more. Otherwise, as long as I stay below that 567.21, I'll leave 5 runners. Taking the other 5 off just to lighten the load. So far, I'm up $423 on the account. And I'll sell that one, the last one off. So total for today, $347 or 3.38% on the account. And I'm done for the day. Thank you. But did you guys see how I was just being patient up here? Didn't want it to break above this 569. I held too long. I shouldn't have held through all that. I didn't have to do that. I could have just waited, but market still looked completely heavy to me, but I should not have let it bleed that much before it came back. So that was my own fault. Still worked out okay. I was willing to take the risk on it on this small account. Ended up paying off, made some money. There you go. Paid for that yogurt. Now, in case you guys were wondering why I took this, so what I was looking for, the idea behind it is I wanted to see it come down to here. This is where I was going to take more and then leave a little bit to flush to here into next level. But because it couldn't, and it actually double bottom bounced here, this is why I took it all off the table. Did you guys see how I did that?
Shift changed 3 minutes, coach.
Thank you. But everybody saw that, I hope.
That was awesome, coach.
Yeah, I wasn't willing to do it again because I could have had the potential double bottom, riding it all the way back up again and going through drama. And I wasn't, we already did that once today. We're done. Yep. Drama averted. SPY continuing to the downside. Who's in these SPY puts? Looking real pretty here.
I am.
I am, coach.
I am, coach.
Thank you. NVIDIA ran up, right? And then it just dropped, just knife dropped out of here. Faked a lot of people out, am I right? SPY crashing out. Who's printing? Printers on full blast, ladies and gentlemen.
Hell yeah.
Yes. There's that, it's getting real close to that gap fill I talked about at 565.70, which was previous day low. See it?